Welcome to English Trail.
You are on day 14. You have been practicing for 2 weeks. But do you still feel nervous when someone talks to you in English? Do the words disappear when you need them most?
That sudden blank, that silence. It stops right here, right now.
Welcome to day 14. Today we fix that feeling.
Hello, everyone.
I'm Sophie.
And I'm Ryan.
You are still here on day 14? That means you are serious.
Today we have 5 clear parts.
Part 1, easy warm-up questions. Part 2, making plans with a friend. Part 3, at the pharmacy. Part 4, meeting a new neighbor. Part 5, strong useful phrases.
All in simple English, easy words, real sentences.
Listen, repeat with us, and speak out loud. Let's begin.
Sophie, how are you feeling today?
I feel good, thank you. A little tired, but okay.
What did you do this morning?
I woke up at 7. I drank tea and ate breakfast.
What are you planning to do later?
I want to rest and practice English.
Nice and simple. Let's practice these questions.
How are you feeling today?
What did you do this morning?
What are you planning to do later?
I feel good. I woke up at 7. I want to rest.
Good. Now part 2.
Sophie, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm free. I don't have plans.
Do you want to hang out?
Yes, I would love to. Where do you want to go?
How about the park? The weather looks nice.
That sounds great. What time?
How about 11 o'clock?
11 is good for me. Should I bring something?
Maybe some snacks. I'll bring drinks.
Perfect. See you Saturday.
See you Saturday. I'm excited.
Everyone, these phrases are very useful.
Do you want to hang out?
Yes, I would love to.
That sounds great.
What time do you want to meet?
See you Saturday.
Good. Now part 3.
Now a real situation. You don't feel well. You go to the pharmacy.
I'll be the customer. You be the pharmacist.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hello. I'm not feeling well. I have a headache.
I'm sorry. Is it strong?
Yes, quite strong. And my throat hurts.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday.
Have you taken any medicine?
Not yet.
I can give you something for the headache and throat lozenges.
I'm allergic to aspirin. Is this safe?
Yes, this one is safe.
Thank you. How much is it?
That's $12.
Here you go. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Key sentences for the pharmacy.
I have a headache. My throat hurts. I'm allergic to aspirin. Could you recommend something? How much is it?
Now a part 4 friendly situation. You just moved to a new place.
I'll be the new neighbor. Yes, I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you.
I'm Sophie. Welcome to the building.
Thank you. I'm still unpacking my things.
Moving is tiring. Where did you move from?
From another city. I came here for work.
That's exciting. If you need anything, just knock on my door.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
There's a nice cafe around the corner.
I love coffee. Maybe you can show me sometime.
I would love that.
It was nice to meet you.
You too. Take care.
Useful phrases.
Nice to meet you. I'm still unpacking. That's very kind of you. I would love that. Take care. Now let's practice strong phrases. Repeat after us.
I feel good today.
I woke up at 7.
I would love to.
That sounds great.
I have a headache.
My throat hurts.
I'm allergic to aspirin.
Could you recommend something?
Nice to meet you.
That's very kind of you.
I'm still unpacking my things.
See you Saturday.
Take care.
Okay, everyone. Today we finished 5 parts.
Part 1. Warm-up questions. Part 2. Making plans. Part 3. At the pharmacy. Part 4. Meeting a new neighbor. Part 5. Strong, useful phrases. Now, pause the video and answer out loud.
How are you feeling today? What are you doing this weekend?
I have a blank.
Speak slowly. Mistakes are okay. Just speak.
You reached day 14. You did not quit. That is real progress. See you tomorrow for day 15.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.